Cooking with Richie. Today I am making a homemade chicken noodle soup. I'm going to try to recreate it. Dena, I hope this is the recipe, but at the end, kind of put in the comments like, what did I miss? I'm going to use a store-bought rotisserie chicken. Pressure cook this with chicken broth and a little bit of water. For vegetables, I have carrots, celery, and onion. I've got some garlic, mushrooms. That's the base of my chicken noodle soup. For the spices, I'm using parsley, red crushed peppers, a little bit of salt and pepper to taste, and bay leaves. These are egg noodles. Here's the twist at the end, and this is a twist, my friend Dena. When you finish a whole chicken noodle soup, and the noodles are done, and the vegetables are cooked and stuff, what is added is mashed potatoes and some sharp cheddar cheese. So I'm just gonna pop it in here. Close this. Let this pressure cook for 1 hour, and I'll be back in 1 hour once this is done. In the meantime, I'm gonna clear all this stuff off. Time's up. There it is. Let me show you what it looks like. That's what it should look like. You could just put these in. Kind of want to saute them because I want to bring out the sweetness in the onion, and I want to get the fragrance of the garlic to come out. I will not be adding the noodles into the chicken noodle soup. I will add the noodles as I add the potatoes and the cheese, and then on top of everything like that. So these noodles will not last. They'll go really limp and good. So this is the proper assembly of this chicken noodle soup. You take a little bit of mashed potatoes and you put them on the bottom, like this. Then you take the cheddar cheese and you spread the cheddar cheese just to cover the mashed potatoes, okay? Then, here are my noodles. I'm gonna take a bunch of noodles, and I'm just gonna cover the cheese with the noodles. And then, the best part, like that, I'm gonna take some of the broth. All right, so this is it. What do you think? You can see the chicken, and you can see the carrots, and the celery, and the onions, and the garlic is mixed in. You can see the broth. Do you see all the herbs and spices on the top? In the very bottom, you can't see it yet, but that cheese should be melted by now. So let's give it a try. Now what you do, you don't just take it from the top and eat it. You have to come from the bottom and pull up. This looks freaking amazing. Cool this down. Hold on. All right, there you go. What was that again? I couldn't hear you.
No, really good.
It was really good, see? Really good. And my son is very unbiased, so if he doesn't like something, he would definitely let me know. He wouldn't say it's just really good. Just for the video, and I'm just like, it's good, but you put too much garlic in it. It's good, but you put too much of this in it, or it doesn't have enough fat. It's too salty. I thought it was really good.